What is happening, y'all? Got a new service van. Got a date to get it wrapped. Got the double drops for the ladders. Got the wire cages going in the back window. Do a quick peek. It is not an E85, so it's a regular V6. Got the Cadillac converter warning for all you crackheads in California. $393 miles. Picked it up from Oakdale, and then had to take it to Stockton so they can put the upfit on it. Show you that. It's a 2025. They had these. They were about eight or 9 grand less than the 2026. But what we got here is this is the first Adrian Steel carbon partition. The last ones had knit pipe. We got the Freon rack, this HVAC, 2 shelves there, lockable storage bins there, top is open. Place to put some invoices, although we're all digital now. More bins, some shelves. These are here. Just pick it up, slide it out. You don't have to take it out. You can just open these up, get what you need out. Snap back down. Same thing with these, up and out. Plastic, so you don't hear a lot of the rattling like the old Adrian Steel. These lock. They're locked right now. Got a bin on the back. Throw some stuff in there. Spots to hang your gauges, whatnot. There's the pole for the drop downs. But I got the wire cages or window guards to put on. Those are supposed to be in this week. But it's my new HVAC van. Alright, y'all. Peace out.